Hello, to input SIM card into Samsung Galaxy A05, first of all, you will have to start by grabbing your phone. The SIM slot is located on the left side, so you will have to prepare SIM tool. You can find it inside the box. Now you will have to insert this SIM tool inside, and right now just gently press. And now you can remove this SIM tool. You will also get this information that you open the SIM tray. Grab it with your fingernails. Try to gently take it off. And as you can see in this smartphone, we can find two places for SIM card. So you can put it for the first or for the second place, just like this. And now slowly try to input this card with the slot inside your phone. And put it with your finger, and now as you can see, it is inside. So you will have to input your SIM card PIN code.